Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn how you can customize the thank you page on your Wix site. It's where your customers will be taken to once they complete a purchase on your site. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu on the left. Under Store Pages, select the thank you page. And this is what it looks like. To customize it, click on it or click on that element or your thank you page element and click on settings. Here on the settings tab, you'll see what's displayed. This is where you can choose which items you'd like to display, such as their order number, image, and the continue browsing link. Feel free to tick the checkbox of the items that you wish to display, and as you make changes, they'll reflect here on your site. On the Design tab, is where you can customize the colors, opacity of your cards, background, page background, etc. So go ahead and customize it according to your preferences as well. And as you make changes to it, once again, you'll see them take effect here. And finally, on the text tab is where you can edit what the default texts say. So say for example, you can edit your page title here, the subtitle, the order number, etc. So go ahead and make the changes that you want to make here. And by the way, at the very bottom, if you've enabled your continue browsing link, then this is where you can also set that up. So click here and then indicate where you'd like your customers to be taken to once they click on the continue browsing link. In my case, for example, I'm going to take them to a page inside my site and I'm going to take them to my store page so that they can continue shopping. Just something like that, for example. It's entirely up to you. So once you're done, you can go ahead and review the changes you've made. Once you're happy with it, click on Save to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, you can click on Publish again to publish the changes to your live site as well. And basically, that's all for today, guys. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.